Life's ticking along nicely, isn't it? Everything's fine. And then you hear it. That unmistakable drip. Drip.
Or maybe that constant running sound from the toilet.
Exactly. Suddenly, your peaceful home turns into, well, a bit of a plumbing headache. So today we're doing a deep dive into professional toilet repair services. And we're really focusing in on why choosing local experts can be such a game changer for you, our listener.
Yeah.
Think of this as your shortcut, your quick guide to getting properly informed on something that, let's face it, hits very close to home.
It really does. And we're drawing insights from resources like Toilet Repair Services in Richmond, Expert Solutions, that you can find over on the Pacific Blue Mechanical website.
Okay.
And what's really striking right off the bat is how these sources stress that tackling even, seemingly small things is crucial.
Like what kind of small things?
Well, like those little leaks you might see around the base of the toilet, or maybe around the tank itself.
Yeah.
Or that running toilet we mentioned, often just caused by a faulty flapper,
Right, that little rubber thing inside.
Exactly, that worn out seal letting water trickle constantly. Dealing with these isn't just about stopping the annoyance or saving water right now.
It's bigger than that.
It is. It's really about heading off much more serious damage and, importantly, avoiding significantly higher repair costs later on.
Ah, the long game.
Precisely. Timely fixes aren't just good for hygiene. They're key to preventing potential water damage, mold growth, even real structural problems in your home. It's about being proactive, really.
That makes a lot of sense. Prevention is definitely better than cure. But okay, let's talk about the local aspect. Why specifically a local service?
Good question.
I mean, couldn't you argue that maybe a big national company offers like guaranteed consistency? How does a local outfit really stack up in terms of professionalism?
That's fair, but here's where the local advantage really shines. When you bring in technicians who work right here, say in Richmond, they often have this deep understanding of the plumbing issues that are common specifically in this area.
Okay, like what?
Well, they might have unique insights into challenges that come from, for example, our local water quality.
Mineral buildup and things like that.
Exactly. Or specific building codes unique to Richmond. Think about some of the older homes around here.
Right, they have their own quirks.
They certainly do. Particular types of pipe, older drainage setups, things a plumber from out of town might not recognize immediately, potentially leading to a misdiagnosis or a fix that doesn't last.
Ah, so they might miss something subtle.
Potentially, yes.
Yeah.
Local specialists, they know these quirks. They've likely seen them dozens of times. This means they can often troubleshoot much faster, more effectively.
Which saves time and, I guess, money, too.
Absolutely. Less diagnostic time, lower overall cost for you. It's about nailing down the real problem quicker.
So it's not just general plumbing skills, it's this sort of hyper-local specialized knowledge.
That's a huge part of it.
And I bet that translates to faster response times too, especially if you've got, water spraying everywhere at 3 a.m.
Oh, definitely. That rapid response from a local team is invaluable in an emergency. But looking beyond emergencies, let's consider the long-term benefits.
Okay.
Professional local services really contribute to the overall health of your home's plumbing system. They aim for long-term functionality because they're addressing the root causes, not just applying a temporary fix.
Right, not just patching it up.
Exactly. And that makes it very cost-effective over time. Fewer repeat problems. Plus, they often provide warranties on their parts and labor.
That's good peace of mind.
Huge peace of mind. And then there's water efficiency. Fixing leaks, especially running toilets, which can waste hundreds of gallons, directly lowers your utility bill.
That's a concrete saving right there. A huge takeaway for listeners thinking about their budget.
It really is.
And you mentioned safety earlier. What does that involve in practice?
Well, it's crucial. They adhere to strict safety protocols, not just shutting off the main water supply.
More involved than that.
Yes. It means ensuring proper ventilation, say if there's any risk of sewer gas. It means protecting nearby electrical systems from any water exposure, using the right specialized tools to protect your home, your floors, your fixtures, and themselves.
Okay, so it's a whole safety envelope around the repair.
It's a comprehensive approach, yes.
Yeah.
Securing the repair and the environment it's happening in.
So connecting all these dots, choosing that professional local expertise, the kind that really gets the specific issues here in Richmond, like maybe common clogs or those faulty flappers, it sounds like it does more than just fix one problem.
It absolutely does.
It feels like it contributes to the lasting health and efficiency, maybe even the value of your whole house.
Precisely. It prompts an important thought for you, the homeowner, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
How does actively choosing this kind of specialized local care that understands the nitty-gritty of your neighborhood's plumbing. Build confidence in your home systems for the long haul.
Right. It's not just stopping a leak today.
No. It's more like an investment in the resilience and efficiency of what's probably your biggest asset, making sure it functions well, meets local codes, and holds its value.
That's a really powerful way to look at it. Whether you're trying to avoid those crazy high water bills from a hidden leak or just making sure everything's up to code, this deep dive really highlights that reliable local expertise is, well, pretty invaluable for your home, your wallet, and just your general peace of mind.
Couldn't agree more.
Makes you think, doesn't it? What other everyday services could really benefit from taking that same local first approach? Something to consider.